Drummers drumming, lemon, pipers piping, 10, Louis 9, ladies dancing, 8, maids and milk and stealing, swan 6, gates are laying, 5, go.
Hey guys, we're at Walmart right now trying to get some food to cook for tonight. So we're gonna do a little shopping. It don't matter.
What's up, YouTube? It's Jazz. It's Neat. And we back with another video. But guess what we making today, everybody? Stuffed salmon. Stuffed salmon. Stuffed salmon. Look, we got Idaho, not Idaho, mashed potatoes. We got green onions. This is finna be so delicious, y'all. This is stuffed salmon. Okay, I ain't gonna say it no more. Watch this. Watch how good this finna be. I'm telling you, I ain't never tried nothing like this ever in your life.
We went to the Dupont winery. Winery said they had me chip seed in a mug. It was so good. I tried all they had cheese, crackers.
Ready, set, go. Baby, tell me where to start. I am her shoe chef because this is my woman's best meal. I love this meal when she cooked for me, y'all. Stuffed salmon. And y'all want to know where we found this recipe? You gotta look her up. She had moved on to the Food Network, but her name is Stove Top Kisses. She still posts, y'all, but she said she actually got her channel on the Food Network. So, you know, the stuffed salmon is the best, y'all. And we learned from her. And you know, she look like us. So you know it's gonna be good. You know what I'm saying? And I love all people, so don't try me. But you know what I'm saying? Like, I want to try everybody's food. Like, who got the best food? We need to have a cook-off competition. We need Spanish. We need white. We need Asian. We need the blackest soul food. Remember Big Mama House with Martin? We need them. We need them. Ain't your mama in there cooking. Everybody lined up, the best cooks, and we gonna see what is it here? Because I got an appreciation for all of it. You know what I mean? But it's all about preference. And today we doing seafood, so you know it's gonna be delicious. I cannot wait. I'm hungry. We got bacon on right now. Bacon is brewing. Like we at the brewery. Stop playing.
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga.
Okay, see? She told me what to do. And I'm gonna do what she said because she know what she talking about. So let's go. Alright.
Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind.
That's how you melt the butter? Is that how you melt butter?
Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time.
And slap it in the pan. Slap it in there. Boom. That look like enough? That's enough? That's enough. I just use that extra version.
She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all them questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, You work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young chiller, girl, I'm on this Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these better niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah.
How many green beans did you put in there?
Is this enough? Cause this is not. look, can you just look? You don't use.
Yes, enough for one day.
Can I put some more, or is it too late? Cause they already been cooking for like 5 minutes.
Yeah, let's put them in there.
Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
Maintain, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean.
Smell. Oh, that's. What are you talking about? Don't all black people put little Old Bay on the vegetables. Dang. There ain't nothing wrong with that. That's the coat. That's the bottom coat. That's the bottom layer of seasoning. That's the just to get it, you know, marinated with the butter and the olive oil.
You just making up shit at this point.
My girl massaging the salmon and stuff. I wish that salmon was me right now. Dang, can you rub me like that? Like, I don't think I done had that much TLC. No,
What's gonna happen?
they be like, did you copyrighted?
That's the same.
But it's okay. They be trying to block.
Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke us and covers and infants for everyone. Take the roof off the call it up for the sun. I broke my see it's up by 5,000 money. Got the bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga don't run for my collars, we second up wallow and collar. I'm trying to get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OCF, look at the new BM up. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right or left. And you can't go to the ain't no key in there. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat it like a tire, I keep a spell. On the stuff because I'm warring. Check the tracks, I'm counting more fake. Young Sky, scrolling through me in a prison. Time to 50 fighting with you and low. But they got me to his temple. Because I spit the flavor to the temple. Yo, I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, you getting up? I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up?
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an everything that we play. Sitting right next to you.
Stuffing in there. Put the other half on top.
Wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around.
Put the rest of this in a container so we can save it for later. Just scrape it.
Come through, I think I need you here.
And just wash as you go. That's easier.
Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. Not trying not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. We don't really want, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Try my obsession, fumble for numbers, erased all our texts. I know you're not no good for me. You look so good to me, yeah. I don't need another broken heart or a sleepless night. God, please got me right. She looks like the girl.
$3.75 for 30 minutes.
You look like the girl.
Got off the trash. They is cooking. The food is done. It looks so incredible, y'all. Magnificent. Y'all, it's so good. It's delicious. There it is. I'm hot. I just got off the treadmill, y'all. I'm about to marinate, sit down. I love y'all. This food is good. Pull tab on the straw.